How is it? How is it? Sound? Oh, clear. Okay. No. Some are okay. Some are telling okay. Some are telling no. No video, but I am going to share it. No problem. Now, how is it? Is it okay? Oh, clear. I think now I will not change. Now I will share the screen. Okay. I hope everything's fine. We can start at 4:20. I am recording. I am recording. Is it not there? Again, I will check it. Already I am recording. No problem. Stop recording. Again, I will record. Then okay. Record meeting. Okay. All right. This there. Once again I checked it. Now I will share screen and we will start fast. Okay. Now your duty to keep me engaged with your chat. That is okay. It should not run away. Fine. Okay. Now whatever I have told in the last class, that means that is the last topic I am repeating again. That I am going to show you. Normal distribution are symmetric around the mean. I have shown the figure. Once again I will be showing the figure. Symmetric about the y-axis. Mean is the middle line which we have seen. The mean, median and mode of a normal distribution are equal. Actually, mean we have seen, mean is equal to mu. Median and mode also will be equal to mu only. I am not going for the derivation. That specifically they have not mentioned it in the syllabus. That is why. Okay. And area under the normal curve equal to 1. I have told you the total area will be 100%. We are taking it as total equal to 1. Normal distribution, that is denser in the center and it is lighter. That means it is reducing. Tail it is reducing. That is why it is not dense at the tails. Two tails are there for it. It is a bell-shaped one. Normal distribution have two parameters. Yesterday you have written all that, but some of you told but showed the slide once again. And also I am going to use this concept for the next problem. That is why I am showing it. Two parameters are there, mu and sigma. 68% of next I will show with the figure. Then it is easy for you to understand. 68% is lying in this green figure I have shown. That means the green color. And 90%, about 99% is coming from here to here. It is coming 99%. When we do the problems, we cannot use x value. cannot use, we have to convert it to Z. Already we have discussed it in the last class. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. X minus mu by sigma. So all these values which are there, the curve is depending upon mu and sigma, mean and standard deviation sigma. Now when we convert it to new variable Z, it will be independent of mu and sigma. That is the reason we will be changing into another variable. So it will become easy for us to write, as it will become easy for us to write, and the curve will be easy for you to find out. Okay. Area, next we will be going to change area under the normal curve. That means we are going to use the variable Z we are going to use. This part onwards very important. You should understand it properly. You listen. The area of any continuous probability distribution or density function is constructed so that the area under the normal curve bounded by two ordinates x equal to x1, x equal to x2 equals the probability that a random variable x assumes the value between x equal to x1 and x equal to x2. Actually, in your second unit, you have learned probability of A less than x less than b. A less than x less than b means you have written as integral a to b f of x dx. Are you remembering? Are you remembering? Yes. So probability of a less than x less than b means integral a to b f of x dx. In this case, our lower limit is x1 and upper limit is x2. So integral x1 to x2, our probability density function for the normal distribution is 1 by sigma root of 2 pi e power minus x minus mu whole square by 2 sigma square. It is a full power is there for this dx. So f of x dx. Now our aim is to change from x variable to z variable. That means we will give the substitution z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Z equal to x minus mu by sigma. Let me go for the next slide. We are putting z equal to x minus mu by sigma. I am not going for the derivation of it, since that part derivation anyway you are not going to get for the examination point of view. Then we give the substitution. Our lower limit and upper limit will be changing, but x1 and x2 are variables. So I don't know, or we don't know what will be the value. That is why we will be writing the lower limit in terms of z, that is z1, and this is z2. Here last day I have told you what else when we substitute dz it will become, and dx by sigma will be coming, and we have given the substitution everywhere. After the simplification you will be getting this. You can note down this part. This part also you note down. And when we give the substitution, this will become completely z, and z, what is that, x minus mu by sigma, z is equal to dx by sigma will be coming. So we will be getting dx is equal to sigma dz. That is why this sigma and that sigma will be getting cancelled, and you will be getting this result. But can I show the next slide? Is it clear or not? You write down and check it. That is a small part. You can write down and check it. Yes. Whether you got or not, you tell me. And the limit will not, we are not knowing. That is the reason we are writing Z1 and Z2. If you got means, I will move to the next point. You all of you write down and check it. When you give the substitution z equal to x minus mu by sigma, are you getting 1 by root of 2 pi z1 to z2 e power minus z square by 2 dz? Only one answer from Rohan I got. Only Rohan has done, or anyone else? Others are not telling. Done. Don't blindly, you should not believe. You should write down and check it. All of you got it? And limit you no need to check. Limit we are putting in terms of z1 and z2. Since it was x1 and x2. Whether from x to z it is coming or not. Whether you got this or not. This? Yes. All of you check it. I am waiting for that. Previous slide you want? Okay, alright. I will show you previous slide. Only you see this. This is enough for you. I have written there that no need. This will make you understand. This part will make you understand and give the substitution x minus mu by sigma equal to z. Can I proceed? I am having 400 more plus students. I don't want 4 or 5 students' answers. I want everybody's answer. Yes. The class means I can come to each one of you. This is not possible. Only with my sound I can interact with you. All of you do it. Yes, I am showing that after the substitution we got this. Those who are having doubt, you ask me. I will annotate. Otherwise, what I told you have done, I am thinking. Now, this is the new probability density function. New probability density function, and also wait, let me tell Bharadwaj. After that I will show. Here, this is the standard normal distribution. Now it became a standard normal distribution. Earlier it was normal distribution. Now it is a standard normal distribution when we give the substitution. Understood? Standard normal distribution. For this standard normal distribution, the mean is 0 and variance is 1. Earlier mean was mu and variance was sigma. Now it became mean is 0 and variance is 1. It is an important point. Standard normal distribution with mean 0 and variance 1. Okay, now all the problems we will be using this only. But some question I can ask with this also, that what is the substitution you should understand. Okay, I am going to the next slide as Bharadwaj was told. Yes. Now you are familiar with this table which I have sent to you through your CRs. I cannot take always this slide and check the answer, that means the value. So you should open your table, that means that normal distribution table which I have given when I do the problem. How to identify whether it is a standard normal distribution? Since so many other distributions also I will be going to teach. You see the figure, and also the figure you are seeing that 0 is there here, Z is there here. Yes. No, no need to remember all these values. You can use it. Yes, you can just how your calculator is using, like that you can use this. Okay, no, don't worry. You can carry, or wherever you are writing exam, they will be providing you. Okay. I will tell you how to value it. Since you may be familiar with your logarithmic table. Yes. Whether you have used it in small class, is it? Yes, the same way. Okay. So, but you should understand that this is the standard normal distribution, and also top line you see what it is written. It is small. I can see means you 20 years below 20 years old children can see very well. Area of a standard normal distribution. It is written on the top. That way you can identify this page. So many other pages also I will be sending to you. Afterwards, when I tell you to see the standard normal distribution table, you will take T distribution, PF distribution, chi distribution, all that. It should not happen. That is why how to identify the figure you see and also the heading you see. All of you, those who are, I think now it is not the sleeping time, so everybody could understand. Now I am coming to the problem. As I told you last class, it is very interesting topic. We are going to do more problems. Yes. All of you keep your table ready. That means normal distribution table, not your study table. If x is a normal variate, find the area to the left of z equal to minus 1.78. Problem you should see. X is a normal variate. I am using x. Find the area. Area under the normal curve is 1, I have told you. Now they are asking find the area to the left of z equal to minus 1.78. Yes. So here directly they have given the value of z. So I am going to use directly the table and I am going to show you. See. The figure is like this. Normal distribution table I have drawn in this. Left side minus infinity, right side plus infinity, and here the mean standard normal distribution mean is 0. This is the mean point. To the left of minus 1.78. If you want, you can mark this. It is not x-axis, it is z-axis. Z you can write. Here I wrote f of z, here I forgot. I think I no need of writing. You can write it. You draw all of you. Yes. Okay. Z. Next, we are left of minus 1.78. Before I do the problem, let me ask one question. What is the total area under the normal curve? All of you can answer. Area under the normal curve. Yes, yes. That is very easy. Yes, 1. That is good. But another question I am going to ask. What is the area from 0 to infinity? Area under the normal curve from 0 to infinity. What will be the area then? Half. I told it is symmetric about y-axis or about mean. Yes. Same thing, area from minus infinity to 0 also 0.5. Area we will be considering only positive values from minus infinity to 0, 0.5, 0 to infinity 0.5. So 3 points I have told. Area under the normal curve is 1. Area from 0 to infinity it is 0.5. 0 to minus infinity it is 0.5. The curve is symmetric about the y-axis. Whatever I talk about the right hand side, the same thing applicable to the left hand side also. And let me take the table. Here you see the values are, you can open your table and check it if it is not clear. I think I can see, I told you. So here the values are given only from 0. You see, starting from 0. It is not from minus infinity. I have taken such a table only. Both tables are available in the net from minus infinity also. But I don't want that. This is easy for me to teach. So 0, from 0 it is happening. See. So all values I will calculate with the help of from 0. From 0 to left side, 0 to right side. That way only I will calculate and I will tell you. Okay. Now I am going back to show the test. Now we want to find out the area from what is left of minus 1.78. That means minus infinity to minus 1.78. Am I correct? Area of this yellow color which I have mentioned. Since it is symmetric about the y-axis, area from minus infinity to minus 1.78 will be same as area from 1.78 to infinity. Area from 1.78 to 1.78 to infinity. This point I am marking. Okay. That point 1.75 to infinity I have taken. The area from this line it will be. I will draw a line here. So this part area will be same as this part area. Yes. So now I will tell you how to find out the area. Now I will not think about the negative part. I will not think. Since our table talks about the positive one only. That is why I want the area of this portion. I want the area of this portion. Am I correct? Yes. So I will find, I know that the area from 0 to infinity is how much? 0.5. Answers are coming as 0.5. I know that 0 to infinity. Now I will take the table and I check what is the area from 0 to 1.78 and I will subtract that value from 0.5. Already Rishita has told the value, has told the value is 0.4625. Again I will repeat, it may not be clear for all of you. 1.78. Where is 8? I have to move the chat box little. I am afraid of all these chat box. 4.4625, exactly correct, Rishita. Yes, let it sit there. You use your own time. Yes. About whom we are afraid, we should handle very slowly. Yes. So the answer is point, okay, point 0. Now, yes, I am going to explain and definitely it is a little take time. That is why. Okay. Point 0.0375 answer maybe. Now I will take that once again. You see, I want all of you listen. One thing it is clear means you can do all problems. Minus infinity to minus 1.78 area I need. But in our table, they are calculating the value with positive only, not with negative. Because of the symmetry of the curve, the area is here area 1.78 to infinity area will be same as 1 minus 1.78 to minus infinity. This area will be same as this area. Area is always positive, so either this area or this area will not make any change. Here it is clear. Now I will take and show you. See, area from 0 to infinity. What is the area from 0 to infinity? It is 0.5. 0 to infinity is 0.5. And we will subtract the value from 0 to 1.78. We will subtract. From where we will get. Sir, 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 mute the, mute the mic. Okay, all right, thank you. 0 to 1.78 we are seeing from the table. Take out your table. Who was asking us? Tasmia, you take out your table. After that, below the line, what is the doubt? I will tell. 1.78, what is the value you are getting? 1.78, it is 0.4625. Tasmia, are you clear? Are you there? Yes, question I am we can show you. One part only I shown, that is why. Okay. So we are subtracting 0.5 minus 0.46. What is the value? 1.78, 0.4625. We are subtracting. So we are getting the answer. So for those who want 1.7 on vertical line and 8 on horizontal line. I am telling the value here. I am not thinking about this is the Z axis. Here it is 1.78. Just like with my hand, I cannot write exactly that point, but approximately I have written. Yes, Sahitya. Any doubt more? Any more doubt? Now I am showing the question. If you want to see the question, see that first question only I answered. Sir? Kishore Babu sir. Kishore sir. ఇప్పుడు బ్యాటరీ పోయింది ఇన్వర్టర్ పోయింది బ్యాటరీ పోయింది హలో not 0.5 plus 0.4265 Rishida, it is again I will show the figure. My teammates Kishore sir, Kishore sir. Don't worry. I can use. Oh, okay, all right, okay. But again, I have to go to my this one. That is why it is difficult for me. Sharing, I will stop for 1 minute. Later we will continue. I call him and tell that is enough. Okay, all right. Okay. You see the problem? You continue. You continue. I will call him and tell. Yes. Do you see the figure? Is it clear? Sir, sir, please mute me, sir. Oh. Then you close completely. Then you log out. Okay, logo. Okay, all right. Okay. So, okay, all right. Thanks. Okay, some problem he got, that is right, not purposefully. Okay. Okay, now anyone is there having problem? Is it clear? All of you? You can respond? Yes. Some actually I want to tell Rishita some value was telling me once again explain again. Okay, one more. Since one problem is clear means it will help you for the remaining all problems. Our problem is z equal to minus 1.78. Now I have shown you from minus infinity to minus 1.78. Our area is that since the curve is symmetric about the y-axis, we can keep here 1.78. I am marking here positive value. This is the positive side, this is the negative side. 1.78 to infinity. So area, this portion area is same as this portion area. How we will find out the area? From 0 to infinity area minus area from 0 to 1.78. Am I correct? Those who had doubt, those who have written adding and subtracting and all that, you listen. 0.5 minus from 0 to 1.78 value is 1.78 is 4625. 4625 we will subtract. Yes, area from 0 to minus 1.78 by symmetry it is 0 to 1.78. So we are getting that 0.0375. Aishwarya, is it clear? Anyone else? Somebody has added. Tomorrow I should tell everybody, I think. Okay. Is it clear? Can I continue? Did you get all of you? I should wait more, and can you do the next problem? Now you see the next part of the question. To the right of minus 1.45. Yes, right. Yeah. Yeah, second, I think Rishita answered the second part, I think. Is it correct, Rishita? Okay. Okay, I will take that figure. Minus 1.45 to infinity. Minus 1.45 to infinity we are getting. Okay, infinity is coming. So minus 1.45 to 0 plus 0 to infinity. This again understand it. This part is clear for you. 0 to infinity is 0.5. Next, you don't see 0 to 1 minus 1.45. Here 1.45 area from 0 to 1.45 area will be same for you. So you can see it in your table. What is the value for 1.45? 1.45, how much is the value? It is 0.4265. 0.4265. 1.45. Dinesh, value is 0.4265. 1.45. Am I correct or not? Yes, answer without total answer they are telling it is 0.9265 only. That is the correct answer. Yes. So now those who are not having the doubt, again you ask, once it is clear, the entire chapter is easy for you. Can I go to the next problem? Table you want to see. Your cell table is not there. Aishwarya, I will show you table again. Okay, but still I am telling. And once again explain, Aishwarya is telling, okay, this question or the previous question. Table you I want to show you, or I have to explain through the figure. What you okay, here just a table. Okay, once let me tell. Here this from minus 1.45 to infinity, that is 0 to infinity plus 0 to 1.45. We are not considering the negative value. Understand it. It is symmetric about the y-axis. 0 to infinity is 0.5. This value 0 to 1.45. Let me take the table. Let me go to the table. 1.45. Where is 1.4 is coming here? 5 is coming. 0.4265. Here I am seeing, Aishwarya. Are you seeing? 0.4265. Now you see the table. Is it correct or not? Can I proceed, Aishwarya? Yes. Okay, good. We will see the next problem, next part. Yes. See the next part corresponding to minus 0.8 and 1.53. Who is telling the answer first? Let me see. Now it is clear for all of you. I am thinking those who are listening, those who are not listening, sleeping, I am helpless. Yes. Where is, have you noted the question? Third question only you see. For fourth part I will show you. Yeah. Okay. Answer is you got the answer. Answer is 0.6489. Ganesh is there. Sanjana is telling. Yes, Srividya is telling. Yes, some of them have written, but Rishida and all did not answer. Surya Teja. Okay, okay, all right. We will check it with the figure. Those who have completed 0.4689. Yes, answers are coming. Yes. Whether my answer is correct or not, I will check it with you. Here. Minus 0.8 to 1.53. Same thing. Now you understand it. You forget about the negative sign in this problem. So nothing will happen. Okay. Those who could understand it is well and fine. Yes. Otherwise, you forget about the negative sign. 0 to 1.53 directly we are getting from the table. 1.53, you take out your table. 1.53 is 0.4370. Am I correct? 0.4370. Am I correct? Yes. Okay. Yes. Next, what is the value from 0 to 0.8? Actually, I am considering, because since the curve is symmetric, we are taking 0 to 0.8. That way you understand. No subtraction, only addition, and the area is only 1. It will not become, okay? Okay. A total area will become 100. 0.8, what is the answer? 0.8, 0.2881. Am I correct? 0.2881. 0.8 answer. Is it correct or not? No result. Anyone is there? Yes. Okay. Then I can show. Anybody wants to see the figure again, or I can show the answer? Chat box is there only. If it goes, I will take it. Don't worry. Okay, you do problem. Okay. I will stop sharing. I will take out the chat box and I will. Yes, it is there. I will again. I will share my screen. Now I can do fast.
Ma'am, I will do it, ma'am. No problem.
Okay, okay. So this is figure is clear. Figure is clear for you. Yes. No. Now you my answer is tallying with your answer or not. We'll see. Yes, 0.7251. And the last question also we will finish and we will go for the test. Am I correct? Yes. Next part, I should go back to the problem. All of you are doing or not? I will go up and take the problem again. Now I will move little bit. I am not at all afraid of the chat box. If it goes, I can catch it or madam will take it. To the left of z equal to minus 2.52 and the right of 1.83. This is little different type. Yes, yes. Already I got answer, but total area only will be 1. It will not exceed. Understand it, total area cannot exceed 1. It is maximum area. I should tell Rishita again. Why you are taking total? I thought that 2 is some mistake, not like that. 1 point something is coming, it is not like that. Total area can be only 1. I am telling, whether it is z axis, x axis or whatever may be. Okay, I will take the figure. All of you have noted the problem. I am going down. That means the slides I am taking going. But I am not stepping down and all. You don't think like that. Minus 2 point. That's it. Okay. Here minus 2.58. That way, whatever way you do, no problem for me. What you could understand, that is well and fine. But what I am telling you, listen, minus 2.52 and 1.83. Yes. One way I can do here, it is see, this part area I want, this part area I want. The total area under the curve minus this portion area I can subtract. That means 0 to 1.83 you have to find out from the table, and also 0 to 2.52 you have to find out from the table. Both you should add and subtract from 1. Those who could not get, tell me. Total area under the curve is 1. We want this portion area and this portion area. Understand? So what we will do, we will find out area from here to here, 0 to 1.83 and 0 to 2.52 we will find. Both we will add and we will subtract from the total area 1. Yes, I think the figure is clear. Now we will take the next. I will check my answer is correct or not. That is exactly tallying with yours. Yes. I did little 0.5 minus whatever way, that is way, whatever way you want. 1 to 0 you add Akash 0.0395. Why? Dinesh, overall answer is why answer, overall answer from where you got Dinesh overall answer 0.9. I did not get it. I don't want the total area. I want both sides area only. I want Dinesh. Yes, Akash, 1-0 you put, it is nice. Now I want to see Dinesh, what is the problem? Okay. You are completely agreeing with me. Okay, good. That is fine. So today's problems, we will stop here and we will go for the quiz. What I have to give? Huh? I have to give full summary. Nothing is there to tell, as you know everything. Yes. Tell me. I will ask questions, you should tell. Can I proceed? All of you have done all 4 problems. The next day we will see little more complicated problems. Okay, good. Are you happy with the normal distribution? Not with me. Yeah, are you happy with normal distribution? Yes or no? Is it making you happy? Yes. Okay, all right. Okay, good. Okay, okay. No, who is having? Bharadwaj is having some difficulty with the normal distribution. What happened? Till now, yes, I will make it. In the future also, it will become as yes, Meghna. Nothing will happen in future also with the normal distribution. Okay, Bharadwaj, what is the problem? You tell. Oh. No, why you are keeping quiet, Bharadwaj? Can I go? Tell. Let me ask the question. So since he is not giving any answer, I could not understand his answer. What he has told. Yes. I should be with you people, then only I can understand. Yes. Then let me tell that what we have learned today, standard normal distribution we have learned. Standard normal distribution. What are its properties? Standard normal distribution. What is the mean of the standard normal distribution? 0. Yes, Meghna. Yes, till now it is well and good. All right. Yes. Okay. Variance of the standard normal distribution 1. Okay, all right. Yes. Next, what is the area under the normal curve? That means from minus infinity to plus infinity. That is also 1. Now area from minus infinity to 0, how much it is? Minus infinity to 0 it is. I am asking. Now the question has changed. 0.5. It is not 1. Minus infinity to 0 it is 0.5. Similarly 0 to infinity also 0.5. Yes. What is 1 by 3? Someone is writing. How you got that 1 by 3? You made it as three parts. Huh? I made it only 2 parts. Yes. Now the next question is, what is the probability density function of the standard normal distribution? Very important. All the questions which I have told are important. Without that you cannot do even a single problem. Standard normal distribution probability density function. Tell me. Standard normal distribution probability density function. Who is writing first? Let me see. Nobody knows, huh? So many are typing. Standard normal distribution Z1 to Z2 e power 1 by root of 2 pi e power minus z square by 2. 1 by root of 2 pi is also there, Rishida. Okay, all right. But you are remembering some part, all right. Yes. 1 by root of 2 pi. Yes. The answer is coming. Now, when I told only you came. Sigma disappeared. Sigma is not there, Aishwarya. Sigma disappeared when we give the substitution z is equal to x minus mu by sigma substitution we have given. Now I am talking about standard normal distribution, not about normal distribution. Understand it? standard normal distribution. X minus mu by sigma we have substituted as Z. X will disappear, sigma will disappear. Yes. I should go back and show you the slide. Yes. 1 by root of 2 pi z1 to z2 e power minus z square by 2 dz. Okay. 1 by root of 2 pi. When we go for the probability, we are integrating from minus z1 to z2. Otherwise, 1 by root of 2 pi e power minus z square by 2 only. Otherwise, here normal distribution means, yes, I am going to give you 1 by sigma into root of 2 pi e power minus 1 by 2 x minus mu by sigma whole square dx. Yes, I am closing the slide. Yes.